and welcome back to the channel. The year is going by like soft Joe, as they used to say in the olden days. You're as soft as soft Joe. It's scooting by, isn't it? We're in May now, and it's it's a busy time of the year. Things are coming up, things are growing. Not only the plants that we're sowing, but weeds. Weeds are coming up, and we've had this week we've been kind of going down the plot and weeding as much as we can, really, because it just shoots up at this time of year. It is the growing season, and we're in the middle of it, believe it or not. These are little natures sort of happening right in front of your very eyes, living things. It's an incredible time. It's late spring and it's the first week in May. And every year we play the Wicker Man on the 1st of May, but we didn't do it this year for some reason. Forgotten about it, because we do it every year. Anyway, welcome back to the channel, and I thought I'd give you an update as to our new trug. Now, this trug, if you've seen the previous videos, you will know about me building it and filling it and putting it over here. For the last week, we've been using it to store some of our greenhouse loving plants, I suppose you'd call them, warm environment plants. And this includes tomatoes, chili peppers and aubergines. And before we plant them out, I've been using this to store it. Now, you may notice it's a bit different than when you last saw it, because now it has this, which is, you can purchase these separately, but this is a protective cover, and it's also multi-purpose thing to protect your plants and to turn the environment, the trug environment, into a mini greenhouse. And that's what it's been doing. And I've got this maximum and minimum gauge here, which shows when this is down, so we can put this down, it gets up to 30, well, it's got up to today to 32.9 degrees centigrade. At night it's been going down to 6.3 in here when it's been closed, which isn't bad, because at nights now it's a bit chilly, and it's been getting down to 3 or 4, so it's actually keeping it a few degrees higher than the outside. It protects your plants from winds, and it's got two levels to it. So you've got the PVC, which gives it that greenhouse effect, but causes a lot of condensation inside, I've noticed. But it's also got a front cover which gives a micro mesh, which is like an insect mesh, so it keeps it aerated, and it sort of like, it cools it down a bit. Also, it's got these side vents, and these side vents ventilates it basically, and you can regulate the airflow. It's also got these pockets at the bottom here, which open out for watering the system. So it's a good little frame thing, but I would caution using this, and although it's screwed to the trug itself, I would recommend that you bring it in over winter, because it doesn't matter how sturdy or well made this is, the winters are fierce, and this will be lucky to last one winter. So I bring it in, fold it away, and bring it out again next spring. That's my own preference. Anyway, I'm gonna show you, in fact I'll take this off, I'll just show you what we've been storing in the VegTrug up to date. So we've got here, some of these are going to be planted out on the plot. We've got some tomatoes here, and these are I can't remember the, oh, here it is, it's that variety, and they're black tomatoes, believe it or not. Yeah, you can get black tomatoes. You can't get them in the supermarkets though. And we've got some aubergines here that we're planting for the very first time this year, and these are all from seeds. Here we've got chili peppers. Oh, that's aubergine. Chili peppers, Christian there, and we've got a different type of chili pepper here, Cheyenne F1, and they're loving this environment, the chili peppers, I must admit. These are some seedlings we've got coming up, cayenne peppers, various other things, some sweet peas coming up here, and some courgettes and cucumbers still yet to be seeded to germinate. Here we've got some runner beans and some French beans, and again some more tomatoes. Storing in this space is perfect for them because they're well protected, and it's almost like a Mediterranean kind of environment for it. So that's how it looks. I'll just pan out so you can see it. There we go. Yeah, so a lot of these are going to go down to the plot, but some of them we're going to plant out here. Okay, that was expertly done by Catherine. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plants in there. And I think they're well spaced out. You can never tell. This is the first time we've grown stuff in here, so we don't know for sure about the spacing. It's very much using your experience and trying to work it out. And she's done a great job here. And I think she's put the longest one, which was this Tigerella, and she's sunk it right down to the bottom of the trug, which you can see here ends about there. So it's really quite deep in. This was a really tall plant that would have reached to the top here. She's countersunk it, which will give more roots out for the plant. And we'll get at least 3 trusses worth of fruit on here, or tomatoes. And you can see there's 1 truss there, and there's another truss growing here. So another one should be up here somewhere. 3 trusses of tomatoes, Tigerella. So we've got 4 different types of tomatoes. We've got Mirabelle, which is a kind of cherry bell tomatoes, small bite-sized tomatoes. We've got a Heinz 1350, which is standard one going by the Heinz company for making tomato sauces and stuff like that. And we've got these are Cora F1s, which are black. Actually, they turn black, and they're new. I mean, we've never grown these before, so she's put two of them in here. We've got 2 different types of chili peppers, which one is this is Christian, and this is Cheyenne F1. So they should do splendidly in here. And they're repeated on the other side here. And in the middle front here are aubergines, which are Bianca white aubergines, eggplants basically. So we don't know how it's going to pan out. I mean, it's all quite new, and it's a new growing space, so we're trying it out with all these different varieties in here and seeing which does the best and how they do. In our new growing space, all that's left to do now is to water them in and fill the reservoirs here so that we can leave them, because we're actually going away next week with work, and we'll be away for a few days, so we will need it to be self-watering. So I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. I hope you've enjoyed seeing our update on the trug. If you've used one of these before, tell us what you think of them. Do you like growing in trugs? It's a whole new experience, and that's what gardening is about. It's about finding new ways to excite your senses and to learn from. You can always learn in gardening. It's a never-ending learn-a-thon kind of thing. I'll let Catherine water them in, and I'll leave you with some footage of that at the end of the vlog. If you want to subscribe to the channel, please do, and leave a comment and share on your social media feed, and it would be most appreciated. And I'll see you again in the next vlog.